Huh? Here, take it from the other side. All right. So, okay, everything's clear. We're gonna move it somehow.
Yeah, we're going to get everybody else rolling it so I can get a picture of it
So where are you going to roll?
over the edge.
Over this way, right?
The only way possible.
Yeah, I'm gonna need some help.
got a big rock
Okay, that's probably a good idea. How many other things we gotta do? Oh, wait. Oh, that's a good spot.
Go back and get that
Hey,
one, Rick.
hey Rick, just you and Jesus and Dan, I'm sure you'll be able to roll it.
Okay. Ready? Whoa.
Take that one. That's still connected. Go with it, Jesus.
Perfect.
Good job.